stop. Please, just stop doing it. Top of the morning to all you wonderful people out there. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can get more tips on becoming your best self and building the life that you deserve. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of morning habits. The star of the show is
toxic morning habits.
Picture this. Waking up first thing in the morning with a burst of energy, a spring in your step, and a beaming smile on your face. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, my friend, today we're going to be turning that dream into your reality. Now, in order to have a successful morning, it all starts the night before. Yes, it is that serious, y'all. But do you remember when you would go to school and the night before you would leave your outfit ready, your backpack set, you had your lunch, and all you had to do the next morning was just get up, get your stuff, and you were already out the door. And it saved you so much time. And this is even more crucial now in our adulthood because we have so many things in our mind that it becomes easier to just do nothing in the morning and do the same thing that we do all the time, which is rush out the door. Be honest with yourself. Do you like rushing out the door? The night before, all you have to do, super quick, 5 minutes, make a quick to-do list of the things that you need to do and leave your outfit ready for the next day. So you don't have to use so much brain power when you wake up, and it leaves you with more time to, eat breakfast or go exercise. Snoozing the alarm. Who even does that? Comment down below if you are one of the masters at unconsciously turning off your phone when you're dead asleep. We all love to hit that snooze button. Let's be real. It's annoying. It's annoying hearing that sound. But it's even more annoying when you hear it again 10 minutes later. And 10 minutes later. It just keeps going. It just wants to be heard. And you just unconsciously turn it off, huddle back to sleep, just to get a few more minutes of beauty sleep. This is gonna be a harsh truth. You're really not getting any more sleep than you would have gotten if you would have waken up in the first place when you were supposed to. And it's actually science-backed. I am not making this up to make a point in this video. Actually called sleep inertia. And this happens when you turn off your alarm, because by doing that, it sends a signal to your brain that says you're going to go back to sleep. So that means that you're going to go through another sleep cycle. But in order to go through a full sleep cycle, it's about 90 minutes long. So what happens is whenever you hit that snooze, it's only about 5 to 10 minutes, not going through a full sleep cycle. In addition to that, you're going to go through your day feeling groggy. You're going to feel tired. You're going to feel low on energy. This is why it's so crucial for you to get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep. If you are snoozing your alarm and you got your 7 to 8 hours of sleep, what are you doing? Get up. If you are sleeping less than the required 7 to 8 hours of sleep, then I highly recommend for you still to wake up on that first alarm and just go to sleep earlier. You're not doing yourself any favors by hitting that snooze button because you're only gonna end up more tired by doing that. So stop your snoozing. Now brace yourselves. The next one might be a trigger for many of you. And this toxic habit is checking your phone in the morning. Now calm down, calm down. I know what you're thinking.
But my phone is right next to me. I'm gonna just go on it.
Common sense, right? What happens is in that moment, you're actually allowing this device to dictate how you're gonna feel during your whole day. What's the first thing that you do when you open your phone? You're gonna go on social media or you're gonna check your emails because you wanna see what you missed or what's happening in the world. To dive into your phone without first checking in with yourself, the sad truth is by checking your phone in the morning, it can cause stress, overwhelm, and anxiety. I know you guys are probably gonna say,
oh, but I only scroll for a couple minutes or I just do a quick check.
But 5 minutes, 10 minutes of scrolling then turns into 20, into 30. And then next thing you know, you're rushing out the door, getting ready to go to work. You're starting your day again, feeling rushed, feeling that anxiety, feeling that stress. And that's gonna stay with you for the whole day. So put your phone in another room, get a digital alarm, don't use your phone. Skipping breakfast. Y'all, Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Whatever you eat in the morning or whatever you don't eat in the morning sets your mood for the whole day. Your body needs fuel. So whenever you skip breakfast, not giving that energy to your body. So you're gonna feel tired, you're gonna feel agitated. You might get a headache. It's because your tummy is not happy, your tummy's not full, it's not satisfied. Leave something ready the night before. Overnight oats, very easy. Make some boiled eggs, make yourself a breakfast, okay? Drinking coffee. I'm proud to say I'm not addicted to drinking coffee. But if you're someone who tends to go straight for that morning coffee, I'm sorry to tell you, but it's a toxic morning habit. As soon as you wake up, your body does not need coffee. Yes, I mean, it does wake you up. What it needs is water. Now, drinking water not only hydrates you, but it also allows you to stay alert. It starts your metabolism to get that going. It boosts your concentration also, especially if you squeeze some lemon in that water. That's even a plus benefit to your health. And also drinking coffee can lead to jitters and making you feel very anxious because you still don't have anything in your body. So go get yourself a cup of water right now. Not making the bed.
Shake my head.
Good thing you guys can't look to the side because actually my bed is not made right now. My defense, I am changing the sheets, so cut me some slack, all right? This may seem like a simple and an easy task. We kind of just found it useless to do as we grew up because
we're gonna get back in bed.
So what's the point? It has been scientifically proven that by making your bed first thing in the morning is a habit that really sets your day up for success. You're doing your first accomplishment, you're feeling clean, you're feeling organized for the day. So if you haven't done your bed today, go do it. And go do it for the rest of your life, okay? Next up is skipping physical activity. We have to move our body. We have to do some type of movement every single day. And when you do it in the morning especially, it gives you a burst of energy. It boosts your mood because you're releasing happy chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. And on top of that, you're prioritizing your health, even going for a short walk. Many of you probably have experienced feeling tired in the morning, feeling low on energy, just feeling stressed and overwhelmed for the day to come. But as soon as I started prioritizing my health, I started going to the gym or going for runs, I felt such a burst of energy. So get moving. Focusing on negativity. We do not need more negativity in our life than we already have, okay? We have a lot to deal with on a day-to-day.
With our own life, with the world, with society.
So when you wake up already with those negative thoughts, and this can be as simple as just turning on the news, even just having thoughts about how
stressed you're gonna be for the rest of the day when you go to work, or how when you come back home you have to cook, you have to clean.
Your thoughts are directly correlated to how you feel. If you're thinking negative, you're gonna feel negative. And this is really why a lot of people, especially myself, practice affirmations, practice mantras, because when you tell yourself positive things, you're gonna feel positive. Positive vibes, no negative vibes, okay? Right now, think of 3 things that you're grateful for. 10 seconds. That's exactly what you should be doing also in your mornings. This is another toxic habit that a lot of people are doing, is that they're not practicing mindfulness and gratitude. And this habit significantly impacts your mood and your mental, especially if you battle with depression, anxiety, stress. When you practice gratitude, you're allowing yourself to take a moment and really be grateful for the good things that you have in your life and really be present in the moment. A lot of the times we only look at what we want or the things that we don't have. I can tell you right now off the bat, you are alive and you are breathing. That's something to be grateful for. And practicing mindfulness as well, which can be forms of journaling or meditation, it really allows for you to have mental clarity, self-awareness, love, joy, and bringing a sense of peace by having that moment of becoming aware of your thoughts and being aware of what you want in your life, what are your goals, what are you struggling with, and really take control of your life. Because when you don't practice mindfulness, you're just reacting. And all the things that you have experienced have now become your thoughts and your habits. When you don't take that time to become aware of your experiences, of everything that you've been through, and how that incorporates into your thoughts and your emotions, then you're only going to be reacting. You're not taking control of your life. Start journaling, start meditating. You will notice a huge difference in your mood, your energy, and your focus. Last toxic habit that you need to eliminate in the mornings is not having a morning routine. And that's really the foundation of all of your morning habits, because if you don't have a set order for your mornings, then you're just gonna have a chaotic morning. You're just gonna be waking up late, brushing your teeth, picking some random clothes out of your closet, rushing out the door, and feeling anxiety and stress. You clicked on this video, so you do not want that in your life. So you have to create a morning routine. This time in the morning is really the only time that you have to really prioritize and focus on yourself. It helps you envision your future and your goals. Once you walk out that door, now you have to deal with other people's problems, their thoughts, their feelings, everything. Try doing a morning routine for a week and just watch how it transforms you. If we look at the most successful people in the world, millionaires, billionaires, they all have a set morning routine. In conclusion, the morning is the golden period of your whole day. It sets your mood. The way you spend your mornings says a whole lot about your lifestyle. Good morning habits have the power to make your days brighter and more productive. So I urge you to recognize and remove the toxic morning habits that you have in your life and start building those healthy habits to become your best self and live your best life. As always, I appreciate you guys. Stay blessed and have an amazing day.
Yeah.